Hello guys, today I want to remind you that I have a free GitHub repository full of general random Laravel tips, and also I want to present you some new tips that have been added today. And there are 152 tips divided into 14 sections. So let's take a look just briefly. So DB models in Eloquent, some tips on, for example, you can do where date instead of doing where date function. For example, you can increment by 50 without doing plus 50 or something. Then you can remove timestamps if you wish by default. Also, for example, while doing all, you can define columns to return and a lot of random tips. For example, let's take another section, for example, validation, how to validate image, how to customize error messages. For example, you can use tomorrow or yesterday or now in validation. Some conditions, change messages even further. So a lot of stuff. And today we released, me and my teammates, so I released a lot of tips over like half a year or something. And I asked my colleague Nerius to gather those tips from my Twitter, from my YouTube community section. I just generally share the tips, and from time to time, every like 6 months or so, I decided to update that repository of Laravel tips. And today, 23 new tips were added. For example, did you know that in addition to doing find or fail or first or fail in Eloquent, you can define first or, and it doesn't necessarily return 404. So find or first or fail returns 404, error page if the record is not found. But you can define whatever you want. So first or, and then in that callback function, you can throw an exception, you can throw different error page, redirect something, and stuff like that. So first or is the most flexible probably way to do that. Also, a few tips were added about filtering the relationship. So did you know that you can do model with relationship name and then have a callback function with filtering whatever you want? So for example, tags only with examples and order by, so you can do a lot of stuff in that internal query. And same with many-to-many relationship. If you have a many-to-many relationship with pivot, for example, of position column, then you can define a method with, and then inside of that callback function, for example, order by position. I also decided to start adding new functions in Laravel 8 point something, or there will be 9 point something at some point. So for example, in 8.49, there was a log with context release, which means that whenever you run log with context, everything that will be logged into Laravel log file or wherever you log will contain the request ID parameter, which will help you to search the logs for specifically that request or specifically the parameters that you provide here. So whatever happens during that request, during that page load or API load, will be prefixed with request ID, and it will be easily searchable. Another new thing in one of the latest Laravel versions, Laravel 8.51, is add Class Directive, which will shorter this. So for example, quite often you do if some condition, then some class should be used, some CSS class. This Class Directive makes it shorter even if you use it for one class, but if you use it for multiple classes, here's how it looks. So you can combine conditions and then some CSS class will be visible or not. So there are a lot of tips, in total 152, so you could probably spend a weekend or so just browsing through them and maybe you will learn something new. And if you have any more tips that are not in this repository, feel free to open issue or pull request and let's discuss. And as usual, I will continue to share tips on this channel as well, daily. That's why it's called Laravel Daily. So subscribe to the channel to get new videos, and see you guys in other videos.